Imagine you have a friend, a very smart friend, a friend who has read millions of books, watched millions of videos, and studied billions of pieces of information. Now imagine you ask that friend a question. Within seconds, they give you an answer. That sounds a lot like artificial intelligence, but here's the interesting part. AI doesn't actually think like a human, and that's the first thing most people get wrong. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how AI works in the simplest way possible. No technical jargon, no computer science degree required. Let's begin. First, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's software designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, things like understanding language, recognizing images, learning patterns, making predictions, and solving problems. But unlike humans, AI doesn't understand the world, it understands patterns, and that's a huge difference. Let's use an example. Imagine you show a child 100 pictures of cats. Eventually, the child learns what a cat looks like. Now imagine showing a computer 10 million pictures of cats. After enough example, the computer begins recognizing patterns: whiskers, eyes, fur shape, ears. Eventually, it becomes very good at identifying cats, not because it understands cats, but because it recognizes patterns. This is the foundation of AI, pattern recognition. Now let's talk about training. Before AI can answer questions, it must learn. This process is called training. Think about a student studying for an exam. The more information they read, the more prepared they become. AI works in a similar way. Developers feed it enormous amounts of data, books, articles, websites, images, videos, research papers, conversations. The AI studies all of this information, looking for patterns, relationships, and connections. The larger the data set, the smarter the AI becomes. That's why modern AI systems are trained using billions of pieces of information. Now here's where things get interesting. When you type a message into ChatGPT, many people think AI searches the internet and finds an answer, but that's usually not what's happening. Instead, the AI predicts what word should come next. Let me explain. If I say peanut butter and you probably think jelly. Why? Because your brain has seen those words together many times. AI does something similar. It predicts the most likely next word, then the next one, then the next one, again and again at incredible speed until an entire answer is created. That's why AI can write essays, create scripts, answer questions, and hold conversations. It's making predictions based on patterns, millions and millions of predictions every second. Now let's discuss machine learning. This is one of the most important concepts in AI. Machine learning simply means learning from data. Instead of programmers writing every rule manually, the AI learns rules by analyzing examples. Imagine teaching a child to recognize dogs. You don't explain every detail, you simply show lots of dogs. Eventually they learn. Machine learning works the same way. The more examples it sees, the better it becomes. That's why data is so valuable. Better data creates better AI. Now let's talk about something many people misunderstand. AI is not magic. Sometimes it looks magical, but it's not. AI makes mistakes. Sometimes it gives wrong answers. Sometimes it misunderstands questions. Sometimes it sounds confident even when it's wrong. This happens because AI doesn't know facts the way humans do. It predicts patterns, and predictions aren't always correct. That's why smart users verify important information. The best way to think about AI is this: it's an assistant, not an oracle. Now let's talk about why AI feels so intelligent. The answer is simple: scale. No human can read billions of documents. No human can process information at AI speed. No human can generate thousands of ideas in seconds. AI can. That's why it feels intelligent. Not because it thinks like a human, but because it processes patterns on a massive scale. And here's where AI becomes powerful. When humans and AI work together, AI can generate ideas, humans choose the best ones. AI can analyze information, humans make decisions. AI can create drafts, humans add creativity. The future isn't humans versus AI. The future is humans with AI. And the people who learn how to use AI effectively will have a huge advantage. Let's quickly recap. AI learns from data. AI recognizes patterns. AI predicts what comes next. AI improves through training. AI uses machine learning. And AI is a tool designed to help humans work faster and smarter. That's it. That's the simplest explanation of how artificial intelligence works. Where you don't need to fear it. You don't need to be a programmer. You only need to understand the basics because the people who understand AI today we'll be better prepared for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Zenic AI, and let's learn the future together.